guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Skylar here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new, welcome back. So today's video is pretty much alright. So yesterday I filmed a makeup tutorial on this beautiful yellow eye look, and my camera like glitched some way somehow. I don't know how, but my thing was frozen because I used my laptop to so I can see like how I look on camera. And then I realized like, oh shit, the shit is freaking frozen, and it didn't record the first, well, it didn't record me putting the eye makeup on. So I just thought it was pointless. So I was like, all right, let me do another video. So this video, it's something like soft glam, more for like Valentine's Day, because that is coming. So if you want to, you know, get this cute soft glam, simple, very easy, beginners friendly eye look, just keep watching the video. Okay, so I already did one eye off camera just to help speed up this video. Don't want to have a long video for you guys. And I already prepped the other eye, so I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders. And I'm going to start off with that shade Summer, which is kind of like a peachy orange. And I'm just going to apply that to my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Supreme, and I'm going to just apply that in my crease as well, just to kind of darken it a little bit and add some depth. And yeah. So I'm taking some setting spray and I'm just spraying my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Quartz because it's a shimmer. That is why I'm spraying it with the setting spray. And I'm just going to apply this to my lid. You can also use water if you want, but I prefer using setting spray instead because it just sets the shimmer. I don't know. I feel like with water, it just kind of moves the product a little bit, my opinion, but it's up to you, whatever works best for you. But yeah, that's why I use a setting spray. And if you want to add more setting spray, you know, to the brush, you can. But yeah, I think I added some more setting spray and then I wound up adding more. So now I'm gonna go into my Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that shade Mino, and I'm taking an angle brush, and I'm gonna create a wing, and I'm just kind of gonna smoke it out. I'm not going to take the wing all the way to the inner corner of my lids. I'm just going to keep it more so on the outer corner just to smoke out that angle. I hope that makes sense. Yeah, I just want that. I want to create kind of like that fox eye kind of look. So that's why I'm just keeping the shadow. Oh my God. The shadow there. Jesus Christ. I cannot do voiceovers because I can never pronounce anything right. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I'm just gonna smoke that out, and don't worry about messing up because you're gonna clean it up with concealer, so don't worry about it being too perfect. To prime my face, I'm using the e.l.f. Luminizing face primer, and I think I had this for a little bit too long, or maybe because it's been in my drawer that I don't know, but as you can see, it's like clumping up, but I had to like rub it in really good for it to come out smoothly. So I don't know, because when I first brought it was not doing that, so I don't know why it's doing that now. So for foundation, I'm mixing the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation in Somalia and the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Truffle, and I'm applying it with a flat foundation brush, and then I'm going to take my foundation brush from Minted Cosmetics just to buffer it out and make sure that I apply it everywhere. And then I'm going to take my sponge from Sonia, and I'm just going to pat out my face. I know that sounds weird. Beat my face, whatever you want to call it. Just to remove any excess foundation, just to give me that flawless finish. I actually do have my correct shade in Juvia's Place, which is Aqua, but I have all these summer foundations that I don't want them sitting in my drawer until the summertime. So I'm like, hey, why don't I just mix it with this concealer so that I can hold on to that foundation, because I only got a little bit left. And you know, when you order stuff online, sometimes that stuff be taking forever. To cream contour, I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Rich Coca. To conceal, I'm using both the Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer in T700 Caramel and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Sign Finish in Tan Walnut. Oh my God. So I like to apply the Covergirl first because it's only like a shade lighter than me, and then I like to take the e.l.f. one and put it on top, but I don't apply too much, obviously, because it's like 2 shades lighter. So I'm going to take the tip of my Sonia sponge, and I'm going to use that to blend out the concealer. Now that CoverGirl concealer is so good, but it dries pretty fast. So as soon as you put it on, you want to work quickly, or if you want, you could do section by section. But yeah, that's the only downfall of that CoverGirl concealer. But it's good. It's really good, y'all. So now I'm going to blend out my cream contour with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And I like to do my cream contour after I do my concealer. I don't know. I just like the way that it blends better than me doing it vice versa. To set my concealer, I'm using a Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder. And this is in shade Kalarhari, which is my favorite setting powder. And I've been loving how I've been using the brush instead of the sponge. Sorry for the outside noise. I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't look so cakey and so powdery. I know I've said that before in my other videos, but for people that's new to my channel, yeah, I love applying my setting powder with my brush, and then obviously when I cut my nose and cut the contour, I use a sponge. To set my contour, I'm using an Absolute New York HD Flawless Powder Foundation in the shade Clove. So off camera, I put some setting powder on the side of my nose and under my contour to clean it up. And now I'm taking the shade Supreme and I'm just smoking out my bottom lash line. For mascara, you know I'm using my ultimate favorite, the Nicka K Mighty Lash Mascara. I know I should use other mascara, but I don't know. This just does something for me. Even when I'm not wearing any lashes, it just makes my lashes look so good. For falsies, I'm using an INV Multi-Angle in Volume 3D, and this is in style, 111. And I like to apply the glue to my lashes and let it sit for maybe a few seconds, let it get tacky before I apply it. I just don't like applying it on my lids when it's wet because then it slides everywhere and it's just a hot ass mess. While I let those lashes sit for a little bit, I'm going to dust off this setting powder off my face. For highlight, I'm using the Milani Golden Light, and this is in Spotlight. I like this because it has like a bronzy golden kind of look. So I do love that, and I thought it would go perfect with this champagne kind of peachy look. For blush, I'm going with my handy dandy BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette, and I'm using that brownish mauve color. I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Spray. So my lashes should be good and tacky now, so I'm just applying them to my lid. To line my lips, I'm using this Kiss New York Luxury Eyeliner, and this is an intensifying brown. Even though it's an eyeliner, I like using it as a lip pencil. It's very pigmented, and I think this is going to be my go-to lip pencil. And I bought this from my beauty supply store. It literally was probably like $2. It wasn't even a lot, so it's very affordable. For lip gloss, I'm using the Sailor Moon and Colourpop collection. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Sailor Moon. And I kind of was going for that 90s vibe with the dark lip pencil and the gloss. I thought it just would go perfect with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way anytime I put up a video, you guys are notified. Leave me a comment below. Oh my God. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know if there's any more other things. Why am I talking like this? Let me know if there's other things you would like to see. Jesus Christ. I think it's because it's so hot in this room and I'm like trying to hurry up and get this outro done so I could like open the door. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.